Now, Hurricane Milton is making its way toward an already hurricane-ravaged Florida. Right now, we're taking a live look at traffic in Pasco County. This is in the western part of the state, and you probably heard a lot about this. Just so many people trying to get out of there, and so that's why you've got that big backup right now here this morning. Now, Milton is expected to make landfall late tomorrow. And NASA images from the International Space Station showing just how massive Milton has become. Tampa Bay hasn't been hit directly by a major hurricane since 1921. We've learned the Tampa and Clearwater airports are planning to suspend operations this morning. The Orlando airport plans to shut down tomorrow. Also, let's take a live look at arrivals and departures from Des Moines International Airport. You can see right now the flights on the airport's website are scheduled. However, it doesn't show any flights to and from destinations in Florida like St. Petersburg. And near Florida's Atlantic coast, south of Jacksonville, evacuations are recommended for anyone who lives along the St. Johns River. On Monday, some people prepared after they were inundated with several feet of water back during Hurricane Ian. This was back in 2022. And back then, the water had to be shut off for 4 days. But a recent grant will help to improve the drainage system so they don't have to do that for future hurricanes.
If we get the water that they're talking about, they'll have to do something here or everybody will move out of here. Yeah, that's what's going to happen if they don't make the improvements that they talk about making. It was up. People will move out of here.
That neighbor also mentioned one of the biggest issues was trucks coming through and pushing even more water onto his property. In Georgia, hotels in the city of Macon are booking up as people head north from Florida away from the projected path of the hurricane. One couple decided to escape the hurricane after seeing what Helene did, and so they drove to Macon on Sunday and they stayed in a hotel. They packed all that they could along with their pet bearded dragon.
There's still a lot of damage down there. In fact, a lot of people who got flooded out have all their furniture out on the street and everything. And if there's a lot of flooding with all the rain and the storm surge, I mean, that's going to be even a bigger mess. I mean, I feel real bad for the people that are sticking around, but you know, everybody's got to make their own decision.
Georgia state leaders recommend people evacuate to Atlanta, Macon, Warner Robins, or Albany. Other areas like Valdosta are still recovering from Helene. And with parts of Florida and western North Carolina still recovering from that hurricane, FEMA says it has enough money to get through Hurricane Milton. Leaders with FEMA are shooting down claims that relief was stolen from migrants and emphasizing that there will be personnel to assist with recovery regardless of any budget issues. And as Hurricane Milton continues to inch closer to the U.S., you can stay up to date with coverage of the storm through the We Are Iowa Plus app. Our sister stations in the path of the storm are sharing stories that you won't be able to find anywhere else. Now, downloading the app is very, very simple. Just text WATCH to the number right there on your screen and follow those steps.